Room with a view, eh? Check that out. Not a bad view this morning. Oh, beautiful. Morning all. Check that out. How lush is that? Oh. Well, we've had a little bit of rain to deal with the last couple of days. Certainly yesterday. But that is a welcome sight to wake up to. Blue sky on the lake. I have to get my ass in gear, get some stuff dry, take advantage of this. I'm going to get myself up and get some breakfast on, get my coffee on. Ah, what a beauty. Let's do it. What else would you have on your breakfast but squirty bacon cheese? Hey, what a place for eggs and bacon, eh? What a stunning morning. The last 2 days have been pretty tough. The rain, and we had hail and thunderstorms and stuff yesterday, but this morning feels completely different. I think the plan for today is to head kind of back in the direction. This is kind of an arm off one of the lakes. It goes quite a long way down. It's quite narrow. We're going to head back in the direction we came yesterday, towards the island that I showed you. I'm going to head up there and see if we can find another Dano fairly early. The guys are going to, I think they're just going to stay in huts. I don't think they're going to wild camp really at all. But we're going to head back up, find another Dano hut for them, and then spend the day doing some fishing and just having a bit of a paddle around. I'm determined to do a bit of carving and maybe a little bow drill or something, a bit of practice. So I'll leave you for a minute. I'm going to crack on and eat this, and I'll see you in a bit. Goodbye. Night number 2 camp. All right then, let's get on. look brave, being all the way out there. What?
The guy down for it. Oh, what? That is nice.
Little bay for swimming. Oh, there is.
It's like got a tin roof.
Oh, it looks like it has.
That looks like a well-made one as well, doesn't it?
A little bit less ropey than one last night.
Oh, mate, look at that.
Wow.
Fuck me in the dick, that's not. You have to mute that bit, sorry.
I got used to it now. Look, we got a grill. Yeah. Jobs are good in there.
Well used.
Beautiful. Wow. Got a sandy beach.
Get my towel out and have a lie down.
Too shabby for Mr. Brown. Huh?
Hi guys, hope you're keeping well.
Say hi.
Hello. Bonjour.
Right.
Brown is out.
Hey everybody, I hope everybody is well. Thank you for watching the video up until this point. I hope you're enjoying it. So, I thought I'd just jump in. It was my turn to cook. When we're away, we generally take it in turns to cook a main evening meal each night. So you haven't got to carry so much food, and you get nights off from cooking, you get nights off from washing up and all that kind of stuff. So as it was my turn to cook, it's also my turn to light the fire. So as you've just seen, a bit of char cloth, flint and steel, and then I'm just blowing it into a flame. Unfortunately, an old numbnuts over here managed to cut it out a shot. But you get the idea. I've made fire. So for my meal, I did a dried wild boar sausage stew. I used the dry sausages because they're obviously non-perishable. They last a little bit longer. And all I'll do is when I get to Sweden, I'll get a dry bag, fill it up with cold water, and the plastic sealed dried sausages I put inside the water filled dry bag. Keeps them cool. I change the water periodically, and yeah, it means that they can last for a few days. So carrots in there, there's some onions in there, there's some garlic going in there for a bit of flavour. I managed to prize a little bit of red wine away from Terry, which was not easy, but he gave it up for a bit of flavour. There's also a couple of stock pots in there for a bit more flavour, as well as a OXO cube. There's some salt, there's some pepper, there's some rosemary, and there was also a glug of that Norland's Guld beer. I chuck all that on the fire, leave that to simmer for, I think it was on there for a good 3, probably 4 hours to let it reduce down. Did anybody else notice my error? Yep, forgot to put the wild boar sausages. So these are the wild boar sausages. They come in a vacuum packed sealed plastic, so they're great. You can put them inside the dry bag full of water from the lake and not worry about them getting contaminated because they're sealed. So I'll chuck those in and leave that for the next 3 or 4 hours.
rain.
That looks good, mate. That looks lovely, doesn't it? That stew.
Now it's, huh?
That stew looks good.
Now it's thickening up.
Yeah. I'd love that. I definitely would go with.
Oh. Did you see that?
I did. You pushed it straight off.
He got caught.
Oh.
That one's gone. Sorry.
Thank you, Kevo.
They've semi-rehydrated, haven't they? The dried sausages.
They're like little chodes, aren't they?
Chode?
Yeah.
What?
You know what a chode is?
No.
I don't want to say it on camera.
Say it.
It's a small penis that's as wide as it is long.
It is a chode.
Yeah. Chode sausage. That was good.
Enjoy it.
Bella.
Good.
Bellissimo. C'est bon.
It's a lot. Okay. Okay.
Enjoy it. Good.
So that was it. The end of the day. We spent the next sort of few hours as it got dark just chewing the fat and catching up, which was nice. The rain kind of came in again a couple of times, so we got ourselves into bed. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, you know, good on you. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed it. Day 4 brings some excitement. Some scary excitement, but some definite excitement. So, yeah, hope you enjoy it. Hope to see you on the next one. Ciao for now.